Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install remote server administration tools on Windows Server 2019-2022. First, click Start, then find Server Manager. Click Add Roles and Features. In the Add Roles and Features wizard, click Next. At Installation Type, tick Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation and click Next. At Server Selection, tick Select a server from the server pool, then select the server you want to install the Remote Server Administration Tools, RSAT, on and click Next. At Server Roles, continue to click Next. At Features, check the Remote Server Administration Tools checkbox and click Next. Some required supporting features such as the web server, IIS, role may be required. If prompted, click Add Features. On the web server role page, click Next. Continue to click Next on the Role Services page. Click Install on the confirmation page. Wait for the installation to complete. Now, you need to restart your server and reaccess Server Manager. Then you can find the RSAT tools under the Tools menu. Once installation is done for the RSAT program, we can see the following Windows administrative tools installed. Active Directory Administrative Center. Active Directory Domains and Trusts. Active Directory Sites and Services. Active Directory Users and Computers.